Hey kindergarten, so today we are going to be representing subtraction as taking apart. So we're going to start down here, number 1. So if I have 5 pairs and I have to take apart the 5, I can do that by making a group of 4 and a group of 1. So 4 and 1. Okay, I have this group of peaches over here. Now I can take it apart in a couple of different ways, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to group it into 3 and 3. So this would be 3 and 3 to take apart 6. If we move on. Okay, so here we have 4 bananas. Again, there's a number of different ways I can take this apart, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to group them into 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. So over here we have 10 strawberries. 10 total. Can take it apart in a number of different ways. I'm going to go with 4 and 6. So on this side I have 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. And on the other side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 6. Okay, down here we have to take apart 3. So I'm going to do it by grouping 2 of them together and then 1 of them. So we have 2 and 1. Okay, over here we have to take apart 8. Again, I can do this a number of different ways, but I'm going to do it by grouping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3. I'm taking them apart and I have 5. And I have a group of 3. Okay, turning the page. This one up here looks like we got some cherries. And we have to take apart 6. So I'm going to make it 3 and 3. Group of 3 here, group of 3 there. And take that apart, 3 and 3. Number 8, the apples. 1, group of 1. So I had 2 apples, and I broke them up, took it apart to make it 1 and 1. Okay, down here, number 9. So I'm going to draw some counters to make a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have 5, how do I break this apart? Well, I can make it a group of 3 and a group of 2. So to take the 5 apart, I can make it into a group of 3 and a group of 2. Okay, so here we can take apart any number we want. So I'm going to choose to take apart the number 4. So I'm going to draw 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to break them into groups. So my whole is 4, but I can take it apart to make a group of 3 and a group of 1. And I'm going to write them in here, 3 and 1. Okay, kindergarten, great job today, and I will see you next time.